Hello, I am Dr. Stephen, and welcome to Gentle Health. Imagine waking up tomorrow morning with your muscles feeling stronger, less sore, and more ready to move. What if I told you that this could happen simply by taking 2 vitamins before bed? I am not talking about magnesium, which many people recommend. Tonight, I want you to focus on 2 other vitamins that quietly work while you sleep to repair muscles, reduce soreness, and improve recovery. Most people think muscles grow in the gym, but that is not true. Exercise creates tiny tears in the muscle. Real growth happens later, especially during deep sleep. At night, your body releases growth hormone, regulates testosterone, lowers stress hormones, and begins repairing damaged muscle fibers. If you provide the right nutrients during this time, your body can recover more fully and build strength faster. The first vitamin is vitamin D, also called the sunshine vitamin. It is more than just a vitamin. It acts like a hormone and plays a major role in muscle strength, protein building, and hormone balance. If your body does not have enough vitamin D, you may feel weak, sore, and slow to recover. Taking vitamin D at night helps your body absorb calcium, repair muscles, and even reduce cramps or stiffness when you wake up. Many people are low in vitamin D without realizing it, even if they live in sunny places. The second vitamin is vitamin C. Most people think of it only for colds, but it is also a key nutrient for repairing muscles and joints. Vitamin C builds collagen, the connective tissue that supports your muscles, tendons, and ligaments. It also acts as a strong antioxidant, clearing away the stress and inflammation that builds up after exercise. Taken before bed, it allows your body to repair more smoothly, so you feel less stiff in the morning. Together, vitamin D and vitamin C form a powerful team. Vitamin D strengthens muscles and regulates recovery hormones, while vitamin C repairs connective tissue and reduces soreness. They also support your immune system, keeping you healthier and more consistent with activity. My advice is simple. Make these vitamins part of your nightly routine. Over time, you will notice more strength, less pain, and better energy each morning. Your body is designed to repair itself while you sleep. Give it the tools it needs, and it will reward you with stronger muscles, steadier energy, and healthier days ahead. If you found this helpful, please subscribe to Gentle Health for more videos like this.